Now we have talked about single linked list. We're gonna talk more about linked list. Like I said, there are another type of linked list which is a doubly linked list. I call it doubly, some people call it double linked list. You can call it whatever you want as long as you understand it. Let's see how it looks like. This is how a double linked list should look like. You have a pointer at the next direction and you have a pointer at the backward direction. So you can go forward and you can go backward. That's the most important key point in a doubly linked list. And it's my bad here, I wrote singly linked list, but it's doubly linked list because we have our backward arrow here. So this is just my bad. Let me just fix it so quickly, and it's just double linked list, and voila, now it's work. Anyway, moving on, let's try to search in a double linked list. So how can we search in a linked list? Let's search for value of 5. Luckily 5 is our head value, so we will just get to the point where we check our head value and we hit our searched element where we compare the value of our searched element, which is 5, with the value that we're searching for, which is also 5. We're just going to turn true, or basically whatever you have in your implementation. Now let's check another example, and let's say we want to search for 9. So how can we search for 9? This example, we're gonna shift right and we're gonna check our next pointer to go to the next element of value 3, and gonna check is 3 equals 9. It doesn't, so we're gonna keep repeating like single linked list, simple scenario, and we're gonna check the next element of 3 is 9. Now let's compare, is 9 equals 9? Yes, it does. So basically we're just gonna return true, and that's it for finding a value of node with value of 9. Now let's say we want to search for value 15. 15 doesn't exist in this double linked list, so we will have to complete our iteration until we reach to the point where we find no other remaining element in this double linked list. So we'll just keep iterating until we reach to the point of node of null. We don't have any remaining nodes. We're gonna check for the next node, which is -10. -10 isn't -15, so we're gonna check our next until we reach to the point no, it doesn't exist. There is no node here, so it's just empty, and we just maybe return false or return -1 based on whatever you have in your implementation. Also, in double linked list, some people can navigate backward, and it's up to you. If you have a tail pointer instead of head, you can go backward. You're gonna just start from this -10 and go backward. You're gonna go to 9. It's just the same algorithm, but instead of going forward, you're gonna backward. And that's it for searching in a double linked list.